today we are going to discuss about current affairs of November 2024, national and international questions. Okay, first question is, recently Doodh Maras village of which state has been nominated by the United Nations Tourism Organization as the best tourist village? Option A, Chhattisgarh, B, Odisha, C, Andhra Pradesh, and D, Madhya Pradesh. Correct option is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh வந்து ஆக்சுவலாக ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா, ரைட்டா? இந்த தூத் மராஸ் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் பாஸ்டர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் இன் சத்தீஸ்கர். இட் இஸ் சிச்சுவேட்டட் இன் பாஸ்டர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட், சத்தீஸ்கர். ஏன் இது வந்து பெஸ்ட் டூரிஸ்ட் வில்லேஜாக செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா அதனுடைய நேச்சுரல் சீனிக் பியூட்டி, and it has got a dense forest. It has been situated in the Gangar Valley National Park, and Gangar river is passing through that village, and their traditional lifestyle and the local cuisine, everything is makes the United Nations Tourism Organization to select as the best tourist village. Next question, where is the University of Wollongong, Australia recently opened its new campus? Option A, Uttar Pradesh, B, Chandigarh, C, Maharashtra, D, Gujarat. Gujarat is the correct answer. The new campus is located in Gandhinagar at Gujarat. Okay. Why this campus has been opened means to meet the demand for skilled professionals in Indian financial technology sector and to bring the Australian education closer to Indian students, and finally to deepen collaboration between Australia and India. Next question. The book Why Bharat Matters, which was in the news recently, is related to whom? Option A, Draupadi Murmu, B, Rajnath Singh, C, Nitin Gadkari, and D, S, Jaishankar. Answer is D, S, Jaishankar. He is External Affairs Minister. He has written, first book is The India Way. The second book is Why Bharat Matters. Next question. Where has the world's largest coral been discovered recently? Option A, Solomon Island, B, Papua New Guinea, C, Marshall Islands, D, Madagascar. Answer is Papua New Guinea. First of all, you should know what is coral. Coral is a group of marine animals that form reefs by secreting limestone by the invertebrate animals.